I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This is a new Harbor Freight electronic welding helmet because my old one stopped. It stopped working. The batteries died. And yeah, I've seen the thing where you take them apart and fix them, and I probably will be doing that sometime when I have extra time. But I had a 20% off coupon because I'm a member of AARP, and I get the little newsletter, magazine from AARP. Then there was a 20% off discount coupon, which Harbor Freight's not mailing those out anymore. You don't get those. So I thought, well, okay, I got a 20% off coupon. I'll just go buy a new one. And this is a little different than the old one. It has a little better headband on it, and we'll just have to see how well it does. I know it works. Well, that's a pisser. I bought a brand new Harbor Freight welding helmet. Brand new, right out of the box. Doesn't work. I was so confident it was going to work, I threw away the box. Fortunately, I kept it, and I'm going to put it back in this box, and I'm going to haul it back to Harbor Freight and get my money back. Screw this for a game of soldiers. I'm going to give it one chance. I got it sitting out in the sunlight to see if it'll recharge the battery, but that's really not kosher.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.